Alright, welcome back. Last day's off, I drove 2.5 hours north of Perth and camped at Sandy Cape. This week I've driven 3.5 hours south of Perth because I'm checking out Lake Jasper, Jasper Beach, and I'm going to make my way around to Black Point and then hopefully hit some dunes. But yeah, I'll be out here for 2 nights camping. I think I'm going to camp at Lake Jasper tonight, but not sure. I might end up making my way down to Jasper Beach to camp. We'll see. I just stopped at a smaller lake called Lake Wilson, which is about 5 minutes from Jasper. Nice little place to chill out, cool view there, and now I'm just about to arrive at Lake Jasper. Let's punch it. Alright, Lake Jasper, let's have a look. Wow, Lake Jasper. White sand, pristine water, perfect. Definitely got to get a few drone shots. Well, this is absolutely breathtaking and I cannot think of a better place to have a run. Not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure this is the largest clearwater lake in WA. I think, not 100%, but it is quite beautiful. Hopefully I got some cool drone shots. There's literally no one here, eh? It's weird. Still Christmas holidays. Yeah, whole thing to myself. Bloody awesome. So camping, there is 3 walk-in camp spots here just about 100 meters away from this spot. I have actually booked one for tonight, but I'm not sure if I'm going to actually stay here just because I like to be with the car when I'm camping. So I might head down to Jasper Beach and look for a spot, or somewhere close to there. Bloody epic little spot to chill. I've made the decision to keep heading towards the beach just because I reckon I can find a better camping spot. But first, I gotta let the pressures down. I probably should have done that earlier. So I've gone down to 18 PSI. Let's bounce. So much better with the pressures down. So I'm heading towards Jasper Beach to find camp for tonight. It's a bit late in the day to be looking for camp spots, but you get that in the big jobs. Twin Carry Beach. Ow. I have no idea if I'm going the right way. I'm like 6 k's away from Jasper Beach and it is getting pretty dark now. Alright, I somehow managed to make it here just in time for the sunset and it is absolutely breathtaking. Look at that, that is just beautiful. I'm so glad I made it here in time to see this. So good. I was thinking about camping down on the beach, but I'm not really sure with the tide and everything, so I think it's just best to be safe and camp up here. There's some really cool camp spots about 100 meters from here. Also, there's a really steep incline to get on and off the beach, which I think I might just give it a go in the morning. But yeah, just not too sure about camping with the tide, so best to be safe. But I'll show you this cool camp spot. It is epic. I reckon I found a good one. Alright, so I know I said last trip I'd have a rooftop tent by this trip, but it's pre-ordered, so it'll be here by the end of January. So, still rocking the swag, but bloody keen. Okay, so today was pretty epic. The track all the way from Lake Jasper all the way to here was pretty sketchy. There's a few bits where I thought I'd get bogged, a bit challenging, but managed to make it here. Made it here before sunset, which I'm stoked about. I thought I was definitely going to be getting here in the dark. And I'm absolutely wrapped about this camp spot. It's just perfect. It's only a couple hundred meters from the beach. It's secluded. It's a heaps better camp spot than what I would have had back at Lake Jasper. So this was a way better option. But yeah, plans for tomorrow. I'm going to try get the car on that beach. Hopefully can get back off it. And then I'm going to drive around to Black Point. And then hopefully if I have enough time, I will drive up to some sand dunes. So it should be a pretty big day. As for now, I'm just going to sip on a rum, listen to some music, might cook tea, might even get to the beach if there's enough light. Probably not, but we'll see. Righto, next morning, had an awesome night last night, went down to the beach, had a can and listened to some music, come back, cook tea, and then fell asleep listening to the ocean. Nothing better. I've just put the tyres down to 15 PSI, because the sand down here is pretty soft, and I'm ready to hit the beach. Let's go.
Siphon, this is hard.
How sick is this? Being from Victoria, we don't actually get to drive on the beach because it's illegal over there. So you come to WA and it's just like, whoa, this is awesome. So I'm gonna double back, hopefully make it up that incline and then head for Black Point after I dip my feet in. Alright, third gear low, I drives all the way up, see if I can get up it. It was actually pretty easy. I'm not that experienced with sand driving, so every time I see like a little incline, I'm like, oh, this is gonna be tough. But nah, piece of piss. Let's keep trekking on. Track to Black Point is actually pretty fun. So I have made it to Black Point, and I can see why this is such a must-see destination. It is certainly something else. I'm gonna get a few shots and then go hit that beach over there. Yoo! I think it is about time for a swim, and that looks like the perfect place. Alright, sick little beach, Black Point, put it on your list. I'm definitely going to be coming back here. Just cooking some lunch, enjoying the view, and then I'm going to go find camp for tonight. Not sure where yet, but I'll get there. Alright, so I've decided to try and camp on the beach. Let's just do it. Right, I am back at Jasper Beach. Last night I camped just up there at the campgrounds. Today I'm actually on the beach. Heck yeah. That incline I was a bit worried about this morning. This couple just got stuck on it, so I gave them a hand, got them unstuck, and managed to get them up the hill. So they gave me a couple beers. Bloody legends. Yet another awesome trip. Went and checked out Lake Jasper, did some beach driving, made my way around the Black Point, and now camping right on the ocean. Bloody perfect. Such a great trip. I cannot wait for the next one. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and I'll see you soon.